Welcome to grade 6 digital learning. Hope you all are safe and healthy at home. Spend these days usefully to learn and educate yourself. Fine. So today we are going to see section 1 prose in first unit. The name of the lesson is Through a Colored Glass, an autobiography written by R.K. Lakshman. So what do you mean by autobiography? Writing about oneself is called autobiography and writing about somebody else is called biography. And before getting into the lesson, you need to know something about the author, right? Yeah. So R.K. Lakshman, born in Mysore, was a great cartoonist and illustrator. He has a brother named R.K. Narayan, who is a popular novelist. He has produced many notable works too, and I guess this will be enough about the author. Now coming to the lesson, the author talks about his childhood, his brother R.K. Narayan, and his journey towards becoming a renowned or famous cartoonist and illustrator. First, let us see about his childhood. In his old house in Mysore, there was a window which had a glass pane divided into many parts, and the glass pane had different colors. So one day the glass pane broke and he ran to see the glass pieces. Suddenly he happened to see through the glass. So first he took up a blue glass pane and he saw a new world through it. He saw the blue gardener digging the blue earth and the blue cows which stood nearby swishing its blue tail. The sun in the sky has turned blue, so everything was strange, frightening and weird. Unable to bear it anymore, he took the green glass pane. So at once things became cheerful. So now the same gardener was shoveling away with a bucket by his side and the cow turned friendly. So everything was pleasant through the green glass piece. Now the author, as a young boy, he wanted to try out the red piece. And when he saw through the red piece, he was struck by terror in his heart. Everything was frightening. It seemed to him like the cow was about to attack him and the dog showed its teeth. To him it seemed like the gardener was digging a skeleton under the neem tree. The earth was a scene of war. He was very frightened and scared. So he quickly switched back to green color and everything became cheerful again. So everything became friendly and pleasant. So now his father and mother, they were out, that is they have gone somewhere out. So he was free to play the whole evening. So Lakshman says that this was his first communication with his surrounding or environment. And he says that he loved looking through the broken glass pieces, feeling different with each color. So he thought that this was his early sign of his interest in visual things, drawing, painting and stuff. So secondly, he talks about his passion or interest towards drawing, painting and visual things. Lakshman started drawing at the age of 3. So like any normal child, he started on the wall. He did not have any restrictions or limitations from his parents. They were very tolerant in fact. He started drawing usual things like trees, houses, the sun behind the hill and stuff. So the author says that he was not at all a good student in the classroom. He realized that he has some talent in him only when he got an appreciation from his teacher for his drawing. So one day in his class, all the students were asked to draw a leaf. His friends, they scratched their heads. They did not really know what or how a leaf looked like. Each student drew differently, which did not even look like a leaf. But he drew a leaf which was so beautiful and realistic. If you see, generally people take everything for granted and they hardly see anything around them, right? But here, the author is good at noticing things. That is, he had a keen eye. He had a gift of observing things and recalling details, which is very essential for a cartoonist and illustrator. So he had a great fascination or attraction towards crows, which was so alive on the landscape. And his love for crows made him to cycle over 5 miles around his house in Mysore every day. So in order to paint a crow, he cycled over 5 miles around his house every day. He has painted hundreds of crows and he began to draw cartoons and he started publishing those in the local papers. So he started earning his pocket money through it. So he did not trouble his parents for pocket money. So as I already told you, the author has a brother whose name is R.K. Narayan. And when Narayan's stories began to get published in the Hindu newspaper, he asked the author Lakshman to illustrate the stories. Illustrate is nothing but to draw or paint pictures. Okay? So he showed interest in that. Not only Narayan, his other friends also asked Lakshman to illustrate their stories for them. So after this, the author, that is Lakshman, he tried getting a job as a cartoonist in New Delhi. So when he tried for this job, the Hindustan Times, they told him that he was too young to be a newspaper cartoonist, but he was very successful in Mumbai. Then he got a job in the Blitz and the Free Press Journal magazines. So besides cartoons, he also did comic strips, and very soon he became popular and joined the big English newspaper called The Times of India. He had worked very hard in order to succeed in life. At last he says that he still have love for his childhood hobby, looking through the colored glasses, and he still loves watching crows and other birds. To conclude the lesson, he says that he very much enjoyed his carefree childhood because every day was exciting with new adventures. So that is all about the lesson. So 3 parts are there in this lesson. The first part discussing with his childhood, and in second part he talks about his brother R.K. Narayan, and in the third part he talks about his successful journey towards becoming a cartoonist and illustrator. So hope you all have understood the lesson. If you have any doubts, you can very well call me. Meet you in the next video. Bye bye.